Hello everyone. So today we will be doing second grade addition and subtraction. So this is pretty straightforward. So today we're just going to be doing the top questions. So these four. So the first question, 4 plus 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to add 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you don't know tallies, it's if there's a slash across it, then that means it's 5. So 5, 10, and then 10 plus 3 is 13. So therefore the answer is 13. Second question, same thing. So first we have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we add 9 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many tallies do we have now? So we have 5, 10, 15. So we have the answer is 15. This one is a bit strange. So if you look at the example up here, if the question looks like this, 7 plus blank equals 10, then you can just subtract this number by this number. So how about we try that? So instead of 6 plus blank equals 10, we can try 10 plus minus 6 is equal to what? And we know that 10 minus 6 is 4. So this blank slot would be 4 as well. And same thing with this one. It's just 12 minus 9. And that is equal to 3. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Then that means 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So next one. So this is now we're doing subtraction. So all we have to do is write the missing number. So so we already did the examples up here for these two. So it's super easy, but we literally just did. So if 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, then that means 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Same with this second question, 12 minus 9. We literally wrote up here 12 minus 9 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So therefore 12 minus 9 is equal to 3 as well. And these two questions are essentially the same thing as well. We would just move this number here and put the equal sign blank. So what I mean by that is 12 minus 8 equals what? 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. So we would know that 12 minus 4 is also equal to 8 because of factor family. So we know that 12 minus 4 is 8 and 12 minus 8 is 4. So it works out. And now this one, same thing, just 10 minus 3 is equal to what? Is equal to 7. So this blank slot would be 7 because if 10 minus 3 is 7, that means 10 minus 7 must also be 3. So now we have word questions, which may look a little tricky at first, but don't worry, it's very simple. So one thing I would like to say is that when you're looking at word problems, for addition, the two words that you should always look for is and, also more. So if you see these two words in a word problem, that would probably mean that it's an addition question. So example 1. So in the yard, 9 girls played catch. Then 8 more. I want to highlight. 8 more girls joined them. So how many girls played catch? So like I said, so the first number that is mentioned is 9 girls, and then 8 more, so plus 8, join them, and you just add these two up, so 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. And let's scroll down to the next question. So, question 2. At the game, 7 girls and 5 boys cheered. So, how many children cheered at the game? So, we have 7 girls and, aka plus, 5 boys cheered. So, 7 plus 5. So now we have the equation, just add these up. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. And simple as that. Anyways, last question for this page. There were 5 wooden bats and 8 metal bats. How many bats were there in all? So 5 wooden bats and, or plus, 8 metal bats. So you add these two up, and 5 plus 8 is 13. 13. Okay. So these ones were very, very simple. Like I said again, you should always look for these two words when you are looking at addition word problems, and more. So finally, last question, or last page. So this one, we're going to be doing the last 2 questions. Okay, number 3. Fred had 17 cents in his hands. He had 8 cents in one hand. How much money does he have in the other? So this one doesn't have and or more in this, so we can assume that it's subtraction, but let's read it again. So he has 17 cents in his hands, so these are his 2 very large circular hands, and they're telling us that he has 17 cents. And in one of these hands, he has 8 cents. So we don't know what's in the other hand, or how many is in the other hand. So to do this, because 17 is a bigger number, you'd have to take 17 and then subtract this 8 cents that we already know he has. So 8. And then finally, you just subtract 17 minus 8 is 9. So we would know that he has, so that would tell us that in this hand he has 9 cents. And we can also know by doing it the other way around. So by doing 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So it works. And finally, last question. John bought 8 cookies and 4 candies. Jessica bought 2 cookies and 9 candies. So actually, let's color code this. So Jessica will be red and John will be blue. So for blue, so he has 8 cookies plus 4 candies, and then Jessica has 2 cookies and 9 candies. So 2 plus 9 is 11, and 8 plus 4 is 12. So who has more? It would be John, because 12 is greater than 11.